What's up, ladies and gentlemen, YouTube, everybody out there? It's Phil20, and I'm back. Check this out. I decided to get some stuff for my wife and myself by chance. I thought that this one was gonna fit in the Suburban, but this one is the one that fits in the Suburban. So the 9005 is the one I need for the Chevy Silverado 2007 classic model, and the H11 I'm hoping fits in it. I've tried these and they didn't fit, so I picked up this one. And let's go ahead and take a quick look what comes in the package. Box. HIKARI is the name of this, I believe. HIKARI. I have the Megatron LED headlight kit, and what it comes with is 2 LED lamps. Set that to the side, and you can see we've got, appears to be 4 LED diodes on each one. It's got a separate power plug, and so this has actually got a fan inside of it that rotates, spins, and this is supposed to be 11 watts or something like that instead of the 65 watts. So it's also brighter. It's it's got a lot of information on it. So like, you get 2 LED light head bulbs, you get 2 LED drivers, 1 instruction manual. The model that you can get this in is H1, H3, H4, H7, H11, which is this one, H13, 9004, 9005, which is the same version as this one, but it's a different brand, 9006, 9007, 9012, and the voltage is 12 to 24 volts. And the current is 0.2 amps, which is 24 watts. I'm assuming at full load, if it really does pull 2 amps. The wattage is 56 watts for 2, 28 watts total for 1. So we're going from a 65 watt lamp to a 28 watt lamp, which is good. You save a little bit of gas. Since it's running all the time, it's like having, 160 watt lamp running versus a 56 watt lamp running. And installation is pretty simple. Replace the light bulb. Okay, so all you need to do to change these headlights is pretty simple. You've got these 2 bolts. You take a 10mm ratchet and you unscrew it. Now, this headlight won't come completely out, but fortunately there's a clip at the bottom. If you stick your hand in, you can press it out a little. Once you get it pressed out, there is a space on the very far side of the headlight. So it'll be the outer headlight on both sides. And you can reach your hand in there and then rotate it. We've got our headlight pulled out. And that's what it's going to look like. Now, we are hoping, I believe it'll fit. We are hoping that these new lights fit in with the wire straight down or up. Now, there's screws on this one on the left side and the right side. And that way you can rotate the assembly counterclockwise or clockwise, and then tighten them back down to line it up. And you'll probably want to plug it in before you get started, and it's nice to have an extra pair of hands to hold this while you plug it in. And polarity matters. It has positive on the left, negative on the right, but it's only on one side, so you want to make sure that the black wire is on the negative symbol, and that's plugged up. Before you go any further, check with your keys and see if it works. The fan turned on, the headlight turned on, and now it turns off. So that was a super bright light. Now what we can do is gently align this into position slightly. So we're gonna coach it to line up in there. Put this in place. Put this one in place. And now we've got our headlight fixture lined up. And it fits. So what next, we'll have to grab some zip ties and tie this right here so it don't jingle around and bounce around and damage our module. We're also going to take a look at how the headlight. So ladies and gentlemen, we switched over to these lights, and you'll obviously have to adjust your headlights as well. And they're obviously a lot brighter. They're blue to my appearance, and it probably wouldn't hurt if I cleaned the headlight covers, because it's been raining, salt, snowing, everything on the road. But definitely is excellent. So I'm appreciative. I hope my wife likes it, and I hope you guys like it. There's a link in the description below that you can buy these headlights on our affiliate link. Thank you. See you later. This is Solar Power, Electricity, and Electronics, and we're saving 100 watts off of our gasoline by changing our headlights. Plus, they're brighter and they're blue, or kind of whitish blue. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video. There's lots more content coming. Click the subscribe button below. Make sure you come back for more, because there's great content always coming up every day in this channel. See you next time. Peace.